Sign up for free. Earn up to $2,000 per day. Stay tuned to learn more. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said guys, let's jump into my laptop. Come over to the website kraken.com. What Kraken is? Kraken is another cryptocurrency marketplace where everyday people like you and me come to buy cryptocurrency. I want to say this is a hot topic at the moment because lately everyone is talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and so on. And by the time I'm recording this video, the Bitcoin is hitting its all-time high. But you don't need to know anything about cryptocurrency or trading because you are not gonna trade out here. There's a different feature in this website that makes you a lot more money for absolutely free. To be honest, Kraken is a similar platform to Binance and Coinbase where people come to exchange crypto, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy Litecoin and so on. Literally people spend hundreds of dollars in platforms like these. So there's a lot of money out here. So the step one, done. Now step two. Scroll all the way down to bottom. In About section, you will find this Affiliates tab. Open up the affiliate page for you. Now there are many different reasons why today's strategy is awesome, because affiliate marketing has been proven to get results for millions of people around the world. So it's a proven business model. You don't need any experience for this. You don't need a website for this. It's all absolutely free, and Kraken affiliate program will pay you up to $1,000 per person you refer. You refer 2 per month, you'll get $2,000. You refer 20 per month, you'll get $20,000. Literally, you get 20% of whatever your referral spend on Kraken. Nowadays, people invest tens of thousands of dollars on this platform. So this is a huge industry with tons of money. So now the question, how are you gonna promote this affiliate link without spending a cent? That's right, without spending any amount of money. Coming back to the next step, you have to sign up for this program as an affiliate. Come to the application form and click here to become an affiliate. So fill out this form, sign up and create your free affiliate account. This will take about only 5 minutes. And click this sign up button and grab your affiliate link. Now we have to promote our affiliate links so that people will come over to this kraken.com, buy your affiliate link and buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies so that you will make money. So our first traffic source is Quora.com. Quora.com is a platform where people come to ask and answer specific questions. Before typing anything at Quora, go over to Google and type what are the top 100 cryptocurrencies and go to the list of cryptocurrencies and go through this list. You can see hundreds of cryptocurrencies out here. I haven't even heard of them. I've heard only about Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Cardano, Dogecoin, the new Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Uniswap, Polygon. What are those? I haven't heard about them. In here you can see the trending cryptocurrencies like this Polygon-matic data. You find some new trending cryptocurrencies from this list and go to Quora and type how to buy the trending cryptocurrency. In this case, I'll type Bitcoin. So here you get tons of questions asked by people all over the world, tons of answers, and so on. You can just spend about 20 to 30 minutes a day in this Quora and answer the questions. You can simply answer, hey, you can buy crypto at this website, and give your affiliate link, so that the people who comes to ask questions and answer questions will see your answer and affiliate link. Another thing, Quora, according to SimilarWeb, Quora get about 550.42 million visits per month, and most of them are from the US. So you'll get a quality traffic to Quora. Again, go to the list of cryptocurrencies, find another name, and search how to buy Litecoin. Just like this, type, search for questions like that, answer with your affiliate link, and thousands people will see your answer and come back to Kraken through your affiliate link, so that you'll make a ton of money. This is a long-term strategy with a huge potential that will make you a passive income, but you will need to put in some work. You will need to reply to as many people as you can, find as many people who are interested in trading on Quora, and refer them to Kraken through your affiliate link. You just need 2 people out of that 550.5 million people to sign up each day. To maximize your results, you can use some other sites such as answers.com that works pretty much the same as Quora. Furthermore, you can Google and join forums with thousands of members that discuss about trading and cryptocurrency, and give your affiliate link. This whole strategy has a huge potential to make you $2,000 a day by just using your mobile phone and from anywhere in the world. So go out there, find out as many as you can, and earn as many as you deserve. I normally tell you about this tube mastery and monetization. You should try this out. The premium course by my buddy Matt Parr. He teaches about how he runs 9 different profitable YouTube channels and makes 6 figures from them. Link in the description, guys. So guys, don't forget to comment the questions down below, and I'm trying my best to answer them when I get a time. We've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe for videos every day, and make sure you hit the bell icon to get a notification whenever a video pops up.